Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I am diving into the future with a review of the Meta Quest 3, the latest breakthrough in mixed reality. And guess what? It comes with exclusive Asgard's Wrath 2 bundle. So, without wasting the time, let's get started now. Before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description and you can buy Quest 3 with bundle from Amazon at a discounted price. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So let's start the video. First off, let's talk about what's included in this incredible bundle. When you get the Meta Quest 3 128GB, you're not just getting a top-tier mixed reality headset. You also receive the epic new Asgard's Wrath 2 game completely free. It's a fantastic way to kick off your virtual adventures. Now let's talk about the star of the show, the Meta Quest 3. This mixed reality headset transforms your home into an exciting new playground where virtual elements seamlessly blend into your actual surroundings. It's like stepping into another world without leaving your living room. This is the most powerful Quest yet, featuring next-level performance with more than double the graphic processing power of Quest 2. Thanks to the Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2, you can expect mind-blowing graphics and a level of immersion that sets a new standard in virtual reality. Let's talk visuals. The 4K Plus Infinite display is a game-changer, providing a nearly 30% leap in resolution from Quest 2. The result: dazzling visuals that bring your virtual experiences to life. And with rich 3D audio, you'll enjoy enhanced sound clarity, bass performance, and a 40% louder volume range compared to Quest 2. But it's not just about what you see and hear, it's about what you can touch. The Touch Plus controllers offer fine-tuned precision, realistic sensations, and more intuitive interactions. And get this, with Direct Touch, you can navigate virtual worlds using just your hands. It's an incredible leap forward in immersion. With over 500 immersive apps, the Meta Quest 3 has one of the best content libraries in the VR world. Whether you're into gaming, fitness, wellness, entertainment, or social experiences, there's something for everyone. Now, let's talk practicality. You'll get up to 2.2 hours of usage on average, and if you need more time in the virtual world, there's a battery saver mode. Plus, the included 18W power adapter ensures you can quickly charge up and get back to your adventures. Last but not least, comfort. The Meta Quest 3 is designed for extended play with added customization options and a slimmer profile compared to Quest 2. Play what you love longer with maximum comfort. And there you have it, folks, the Meta Quest 3, a game changer in the world of mixed reality. If you're ready to take your virtual adventures to the next level, this is the headset for you. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more VR awesomeness. Until next time, goodbye.